Hello children, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. My name is Sonali and yesterday we learned about different parts of our body and our 5 sense organs. Let's do a quick recap of our different body parts. A quick recap of our different body parts. Let's begin. This is our forehead, ears, cheeks, teeth, chin, eyebrow, eyes, nose, mouth, shoulder, thumb, chest, tummy, wrist, nail, leg, knees, ankle, foot, toe, hair, head, back, neck, arm, hand, waist, elbow, finger, bottom, and heel. And our 5 sense organs are see, smell, hear, taste, touch. We see with our eyes, we smell with our nose, we hear with our ears, we taste with our tongue, and we touch with our skin. I hope you all have understood about all our different parts of our body and our 5 sense organs. Now I will give you 2 worksheets as your practice work. Your first worksheet is of body parts. Here you have to draw a line from each word to the correct part of the body. For example, on your right side you have mouth starting with M. So you have to draw a line from the word mouth to the boy's mouth. The same way you have to do the rest of the body parts. Your second worksheet is of 5 senses. Here you have to match the pictures to the correct sense. For example, the first one is eyes. Eye you have to match with what you can see with your eye. You can see sun. So you have to draw a line from the eye to the sun. The same way you have to do the nose, the tongue, the hand and the ears. Come on children, now we will do 2 fun activities on body parts and sense organs. Okay children, so for our body parts activity, I have a picture of a body of a boy. I have some of his body parts and we need Fevicol. So what we will do is we will connect all the body parts onto the boy's picture. So let's start. First we start with the eyes. What are these? Eyes. So you put a little bit of Fevicol behind and we stick it where his eyes should be. Eyes. We have 2 eyes. These are our eyebrows. We see with our eyes. Then this is where hair. Very good. This is his hair. So we will stick the hair. Then let's find his nose. Here, this is his nose. Put some Fevicol or glue stick or whatever you have. And nose. Nose. Nose is for smell. We smell with our nose. This is his mouth. Mouth. We can chew food with our mouth. This is his ear. We can hear with our ears. So we will stick his ears. Then his arms. What are these? Arms. We have two arms. We can write with our hands. We can draw with our hands. We can pick up food. We can pick up toys. We can clap with our hands. Hands, arm, hands, fingers. We can write our work with our hands. And then last we have his legs. What can you do with your legs, children? Yes, you can run, you can walk, you can climb your games, you can go sports, you can play, you can run, walk. You can do so many things with your legs. So this is a small activity of different body parts. Now our next activity is on five senses. You can do this on the floor, you can do this on a chart paper. You can just have to tell your mama to write the five senses and you can start this activity. Now let's go through them one by one. Touch. First activity, first sense organ is touch. So for touch you need, what do you need? Yes, you do it with your skin. Your next sense organ is see. We see with our eyes. Very good. Next sense organ is taste. We taste with our tongue. Next is hear. We hear with our ears. And the last sense organ is smell. We smell with our nose. Now I have a few items here which I have collected from my house. You can do the same thing and you can have some different items. You can tell your mama to collect with for you and you can start your activity. Now let's start with our first activity, which is touch. Now from this I have a few things. I have a few things like buttons. Buttons you can touch. You can see some are soft, some are hard, some are metallic. Then what do I have here? Feather. We can touch with our, we can feel this. Wow, look, you can touch this feather. And something soft you can touch, cotton. So these three items are for touch. You can feel this. You can feel the soft and you can feel this hard. Our next sense organ is see. So from the items that I have, I've got a leaf. We can see nature around us. Yes. Then I've got stickers. We can see different stickers, our favorite stickers. And we can also see a pen. So these are the items which we can see. Our next sense organ is taste. Now the things I have for taste, I've got, what is this? Everybody's favorite, chocolate. We can taste chocolate. We can taste banana. And we can taste what is in season right now. Which fruit? The king of fruits, mango. So these things I've put here for taste. Next sense organ we have is hear. We hear with our ears. So for that I have a small bell. I have some glass bangles. And I've got some stones which I have put in a glass jar. So when you shut it, you can hear it. So these are my items for hearing. And for our last sense organ, which is smell, I have a perfume. Perfume you can smell, yes. You can smell perfume. I have a small flower. You can smell flowers. I also have lemon. You can smell the khatta lemon also. Yes. So these are our 5 sense organs and the activities that go with the 5 sense organs. Now these are the items that I have taken. You can take whatever you have in the house and you can make your own activity of 5 sense organs like how I have made.